Hello students, welcome you all guys, welcome you all to AceCat YouTube channel. I am Ankit Sharma and we are going to solve this question. So guys, to get the complete concept of this question, please watch this video completely guys. Let's read the question first guys. In a village, the ratio of number of males to females is 5:4 guys. It is an actual question from CAT 2022 guys. Okay. The ratio of number of literate males to literate females is 2:3. The ratio of the number of illiterate males to illiterate females is 4:3 guys. If 3600 males in the village are literate guys, then what we need to find out, the total number of females in the village is what guys. So it is a very easy question guys, but many students got confused by the language and they have they made so many equations while solving that question guys. So how we should approach this question? We should approach this data first. If 3600 males in the village are literate, okay students, first of all, literate male and literate females ratio is what guys? Literate females ratio, it is given as 2:3. So if this is 2x, this must be 3x guys. So if 2x will be equal to 36 guys, 3600, it is the data which is given in question guys. 3600 males in the village are literate. So now you will say x must be equal to 1800. If 2x equal to 3600, x must be equal to 1800 and 3x must be equal to 5400. Now students, do you agree with me guys? If I subtract the literate male from total number of males, I will have illiterate males. Yes or no guys? If I subtract the literate females from total number of females, I will have illiterate females. Yes or no guys? So let's do that guys. In a village, the ratio of number of males to females is 5:4. So let's assume there are 5p male and 4p female. Can I assume like this? Definitely we can assume like this guys. 5p male are there and 4p female are there. If I subtract the literate male from the total number of males, this will denote illiterate males and this will denote what beta? I am subtracting literate females from total number of females, so I will have 4p minus 5400. Is this the ratio of illiterate male to illiterate female guys? Total number of males minus literate male will be illiterate will be equal to illiterate male guys, and here we are having illiterate females guys. So this ratio is given as what guys? Illiterate males to illiterate females is 4:3 guys. So equate this to 4:3. Now we all can find the value of p quite comfortably guys, and we have to find out the total number of females in the village. So we all can calculate the total number of females in the village, 4p guys. If we can find the value of p, 4p is a cake work for us guys. So let's solve this guys. 15p minus 36 3s are 10800 will be equal to 16p minus 54 4s are 21600. So here guys, on solving this, it will be what guys? 10,800 equal to what guys? P. So we know the value of p guys now. We know the value of p guys, and we have to find out the total number of females guys, that is 4p. So you will say, what is the value of 4p guys? 10,800 into 4. That will be equal to 43,200. 43,200 is the correct answer guys. So it was a very easy question from CAT 2022 slot 1 guys. We should target these kind of questions first while solving the actual CAT paper. Okay. So you have to be very familiar with this kind of concepts and question guys. Okay students, so I think it is crystal clear to you guys. We are going to meet you in the next class with one more amazing question and with one more amazing concept. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much guys.